Okay, so we're here on the third hole now, and you've talked. We reviewed some stats from your past amateur tournaments in the past 4 6 weeks, and we've talked a lot about your struggles, kind of from 125 to 175, and particularly you've played some really good rounds the past month or two, but the rounds that you've struggled seem to all be in windier condition. Would you agree with that?
Yeah, definitely.
So what we want to do here is we've got a little bit of left to right wind going here. So I want to talk about, we've struggled with those, and just from talking with you on the phone and meeting with you at the course, doing some lessons, we've talked about how the trouble comes in on these short irons when left to right wind, you kind of overcut it, and then the wind carries it, and now all of a sudden it misses its line by quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
So what we're going to do here, we worked on we obviously worked on the range this year with shaping it both left to right and right to left. So now we're going to go on this hole. We've got a little bit of a left to right wind. We're going to work the ball with the short iron against the wind to help hold it on line. So we need to visualize, draw here. So we're going to pick out, a starting point on about the right center of the green, and we're going to try to draw this back to the center of the green. And then, on the next hole, we're going to hop over to a right to left hole, and then we're going to try to cut some up against a right to left wind. So that's going to help the ball hold its line a little bit better. And then also, would that stop quicker, or would it stop? Stop sooner or later if we work it against the wind?
It should stop sooner.
Exactly, yeah, because it's going to be coming down a little bit softer, working against the wind, so it's going to help us land the ball softer. And it should, as long as we hit our shape, it's going to help us, hold the ball up against the wind. It's going to help us hit our lines quite a bit better. And particularly in this, 125 to 175 range where you've struggled in the last couple events, and we've got to get better here. And I think that shaping it against the wind, particularly with these shots, is going to be a big benefit.